Israeli ambassador to Nigeria, Mr.
in Port Harcourt on Friday, 14th June 2013. Her Excellency, First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency, Ambassador of Israel to Nigeria, His Excellency, Executive Governor of Rivers State, here represented by the Deputy Governor, His Excellency, Executive Governor of Lagos State, they are also represented, Their Excellencies, members of the diplomatic mission, members of National Assembly, members of Israeli Parliament, Mr. Yuval Rabin, and all Israel, and gladness that I welcome you all to this unique ceremony marking the official commissioning of Yitzhak Rabin International School. I am particularly pleased to welcome the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Her Excellency, then Dr. Patience Goodluck Jonathan, the Ambassador of Israel to Nigeria, Mr. Uri Party, and of course all the executive governors and invited guests here present and represented, who in one way or the other are beneficiaries of education. Your presence signifies the importance you place on education and will no doubt have significant impact on the lives, aspirations, and ambitions of our pupils and students. Like I said in March last year at the foundation's laying ceremony of this project, we gathered then to sow a seed. Indeed, that seed has germinated and has today grown into this beautiful edifice. Since it was opened to the public on September 15 last year, the Yitzhak Rabin International School, the first of its kind in this part of the world, has been providing students of all backgrounds education that is rigorous but relevant. Education which prepares the graduates to address confidently and wisely Nigeria's future problems and challenges. We are poised to produce the best science students and academicians that will be Africa's hope in science and technology, using Israeli experience on early childhood training in technology. And this was the reason we introduced a research center in the school that will be configured to Israeli high-tech to assist the Nigerian child. I am proud to inform you that this school was constructed to immortalize the late Prime Minister of Israel, Yitzhak Rabin, in view of his values and peace overshoot. This school, which offers both day and boarding services, has been designed to international standards to curtail the exodus of the Nigerian children abroad in search of quality education. True to its name, the school also offers courses in Hebrew language and the history of the Jewish nation. Besides, it will, among other things, create a greater impact on Nigeria-Israel relations, as well as imbibe the cultural values of both nations. This is the first of its kind in Nigeria. And Port Harcourt, being the hub of activities in the south-south to southeast axis of the country, has the real privilege of hosting this school, which comprises nursery, primary, and secondary. We provide world-class education for children from all backgrounds. The calibers of our staff are recruited in line with our objectives and are educationally qualified to meet all challenges. Our classroom blocks, laboratories, ICT center, library, etc. have been dedicated and named after high-profile Nigerians and foreigners alike who have contributed enormously to the development of education to serve as inspiration to our pupils and students. The commissioning of these structures will be done today by the amiable daughter of Zion, the paragon of beauty of Niger Delta, First Lady, Federal Republic of Nigeria, and President, African First Ladies Peace Mission, then Dr. Goodluck Jonathan. True to symbol of motherland, a true symbol of motherland, and this is why the school building is named in her honor. The school is designed to serve the African child to develop their potentials early in line with Israel's technology. The students will also have the opportunity to travel on exchange programs to Israel, as well as visit the Yitzhak Rabin Center in Tel Aviv, Israel. Our overseas children exchange trips are not for fun, but for further learning, training, and joint classroom work with the Israeli children. The school will boost the Nigeria-Israel cultural, diplomatic, educational, and economic path. Ishaq Rabin School is not a religious center, but purely center for academic excellence. Students will enjoy extracurricular courses such as peace and conflict management, which were the values of the late Ishaq Rabin. Our research center is aimed at helping Israel's early child awareness in technology. Learning at Ishaq Rabin School is exciting and challenging because the students must meet up academically and in character. We are poised to produce leaders that will control Africa's technology. Ishaq Rabin School, being the first of its kind in Africa, is marching to showcase the intellectual nature of the African child. Special guests of honor, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, my intention is not to bore you with a long speech, but it will not be out of place to acknowledge the untiring role and commitment of Ishaq Rabin family, Israeli partners, and the Embassy of Israel in Nigeria in ensuring that this dream became a reality. I cannot end this address without thanking the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, then Dr. Patience Goodluck Jonathan, for her encouragement to us and sparing time out of our busy schedule to be here today. We also commend His Excellency and all governors present. We salute Sir Mike and material support in order to complete the other classroom blocks, model hostel, and good and good. Thank you.